Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix if Windows cannot connect to your printer. So let's get started. So simply goes to search bar, type here registry editor. So simply here you can see the H key local machine, expand it. Now here you can see the option system, expand the system option. Here you have to click on current control set. Now expand the control option. Now find the option here print. Here it is. Simply right click on it, click on new and click on key. We have to set the value of this key is 0. Click on OK. Now close this window and simply open services. Now find here print spoiler. Right click on it and click on restart. Close the window and simply restart your PC. After doing this process, your problem will be fixed. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.